Hello everyone, I am Samuel Bermeo Jr. but you can call me Sam. I am 23 years old from Lupi, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. My hobbies are do anything like playing guitar, cooking, and washing clothes. My expectation to this subject is very hard but we can't study wise naman and my first impression to our teacher is beautiful. She is also kind and I think strict. The challenge that I encountered to this subject is so very hard, but I'm doing my best to survive this subject. So that's all. Thank you. God bless.